Hi, this is Josh Kirby with MarineMax of Long Island. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. You see this boat has the beautiful accent strip down the side, also has the matching colored tower. Comes with twin MerCruiser motors, Bravo 3 outdrives. It's got flooring on the swim platform as well as the cockpit. Beautiful ivory interior. Comes with an onboard fridge. Upgraded sound system with subwoofer. Dual SIMRAD displays. This boat is equipped with joystick controls for east navigation. Spacious cabin for the head, which is larger than most deck boats. Great seating up here in front. Also comes with the windlass anchor. If you have any questions, please contact us down here at MarineMax Long Island. Have a good day.